Good afternoon, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff and I represent the parts department here at Hayward Allen Toyota. We're going to take just a moment to show you some newer Toyota key fobs and how to replace the batteries in them. So we're going to take just a quick look at these three smart key transmitter fobs. This one right here is a 2023 Toyota Camry smart key or transmitter. This one right here is the application for this one is a 2022 Highlander, and this one right here is the new 2023 Toyota Sienna minivan. Now all three of these of course have a replacement battery in them, and they look daunting as far as taking them and opening them up and putting a new battery in. They're really not. So we're going to take just a moment to show you these three. So with this flip key or transmitter for the Camry, you will see over here on the corner where your keychain goes, right up in the corner, we can't see it very well there, but there is a slot right there that you can insert a small screwdriver into, and this cover just pops right off and the battery is located underneath. So there we go, and this is just a little rubber cover for the battery. Battery is located underneath. Part number on that one is a very common battery, 2032, and all I would do in this case is I would take my screwdriver into this slot right here and just gently lift that battery out. It comes right on out. And when I install the new one, it goes under this side right here, goes under here first, and it just snaps back in there. And for this key fob for the Toyota Highlander, once you remove the emergency key out of the bottom, there's a little switch right here to do that with. I slide that out. There's a slot that you can see right there in the middle, and that's where I insert my little flat blade screwdriver, and I just pop it open. The two halves come very easily apart, and the battery is located underneath. This is the Toyota Highlander smart key, and you see you have the front half and the back half, and this is the circuit board right here. The battery will be located right there. And important to note on this particular style that you have right here two plastic tabs, one here and one here, and I don't want to break those off or hurt them. So again, the screwdriver has a place to go right in here. I come underneath and just gently lift the battery out on this side right here. To install it, I'll go back under the edge of this side with these two and then just snap it in right there. All right, this is the transmitter, the smart key, if you will, for the 2023 Toyota Sienna hybrid minivan. Similar to the Toyota Highlander smart key, you will find at the end of this that there is a slot right in the middle right there. If we can get the lighting right, there it is. And you'll insert your screwdriver into that slot and just pop it open gently. You have a front half and a back half, and the battery is located underneath. And with the internal part of the smart key out of the Sienna key housing, you'll see again that there are two tabs at the top of this that are plastic that retain the battery, and then at the bottom where it says made in Indonesia, there's a place there that you can put your screwdriver in just gently and just lift the battery out of there like so. This particular battery is a newer part number than what we use in the other ones, and you'll see that it's 2450, but it goes in just the same as the other ones. And we stock all three of these batteries at Hayward Allen Toyota, and if you'd like to come visit us to have that replaced, we'll be glad to help you. It just takes a few minutes on the parts counter. And as always, we value your business. We thank you for your support. Come see us here at Hayward Allen Toyota.